Know about snowstorms. Winter can be a fun time of the year. In some places, a winter month means the chance of a snowstorm. Children can play in the snow. Do you know what to do in case of a big snowstorm? If you have been tuned to the news, you will know the storm is on the way. Stock up on food and water. Also, fix up a first aid kit. Grown-ups should fill up their cars with gas. Ask the right questions and check on good friends. The snowstorm hits. The snowflakes may fall as big as pennies or as small as gnats. The snow can pile up fast. This is the time to stay inside. The wind can blow the snow into drifts. These drifts can be knee-deep or higher. Stay inside while the snowstorm is still blowing. Dress right to go outside. Get a warm coat, knit hat, mittens, and boots. Outside, the raw wind can make you gnash those teeth. Knowing what to do in the snow is a good plan. Don't forget to have fun in the snow, too.